So I'm going to show you how to make these things. Swirly jars of glitter and stuff. So you will need a jar with a tight fitting lid. And then you'll need some sort of thick liquid. The one I just showed you, I used corn syrup. I had to dilute it a little bit. Some other things I tried that I didn't think worked out great were oil and water and food coloring. Here's oil and water and no food coloring. It's interesting, but it wasn't what I wanted. I thought that dish soap would work great because it's thick and water soluble, but I wasn't completely happy with dish soap. I also had to I tried some hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer, you can mix like 1/4 hand sanitizer, 3/4 water. And it was kind of interesting because some hand sanitizer was clear. Other hand sanitizer, when I mixed it up, with water, it got opaque. Anyways, try different liquids. I like corn syrup. Mix your liquid up, and then you're going to add a little bit of glitter. If you don't have glitter in your house, then you have to get creative. I took some threads and cut them up. Clear plastic works great. Cut up little tiny pieces of clear plastic. You can also add a little bit of aluminum foil. You want to cut it up into small pieces. Oh, yeah, sequins. I had this Halloween costume left over full of sequins. Cut some sequins off of these and use them. You can get really creative, have a lot of fun, experiment with different liquids, and good luck, have fun with this, and use small jars.